Hello, everybody. Hello from Hong Kong, actually. So this week, I'm actually traveling to Hong Kong, so I might be posting to different timings as usual. So let's go now to the wrap up of our brain teaser, okay? And I guess that the ideas that you Rim were saying, like for example, having advertising on the homepage, on one hand, it can give Google more revenue. On the other hand, it's less revenue from the traditional, sponsor links business model, and also less credibility in the medium term. So you also say that, so that's correct. Or same thing with Patricia with the doodles. Regarding what Rachel was saying about highlighting more the businesses, the services for business, or or the social platforms that Ether, no, you were saying. That could be an option as well. That would increase the visibility and then the revenues coming from these services. But the real answer is what Puneet said, okay? So it's the I'm feeling lucky button. So why is that? The thing is that when people press in the I'm feeling lucky button, they are landed directly to the first organic result. Instead of to the standard search engine result page, which has both sponsor links and organic links, okay? So Google is basically skipping the sponsor links of the standard search engine result page and landing users directly on the number one organic results. And this is if you combine the average people that click on sponsor links times the average revenue or cost per click of these sponsor links, there is where you get the figure of $120 million per year or something like that. No, so the answer that Puneet gave was the correct one. So why is Google having the I'm feeling lucky button, which actually when you start typing on the search box it does not appear anymore, but they still have it there because they say it's part of their philosophy. It shows the optimistic nature of the brand, of the company, and also because it's been there since the foundation. But it doesn't really matter why they keep the button there. The point of the brain teaser is that a small change in the design of a page, especially if it's the home page, can have a significant impact on the revenues that you have, no, from that page. So the user experience session that we are having this week is not like, it's more a science than an art. It's more like something that engineers do in terms of analytical optimization, measuring every single step to optimize the experience, rather than what a creative person would do in terms of how nice it looks like, or this kind of stuff, okay? So the approach that we are going to have in our user experience session is highly analytical. It's measuring everything because small changes can have a significant impact on the business, okay? So this is what this session is about. So thanks, Puneet, for solving our brain teaser again this week. And let's move now to the next part of our discussion.